Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You are logged in and on your friend's page. This is where you start. First, scroll down until every friend entry is visible so the page loads them. Partial loads will skip accounts. Once done, open the browser developer tools with F12 or Ctrl+Shift+I and switch to the Console tab. Make sure you are comfortable closing tabs. This process affects your live account. Pause if you want a backup list of names, otherwise proceed to the next action. You will instruct the browser to click each unfriend control in sequence. This is faster than manual clicking. Locate one unfriend button element to confirm selector consistency, then run a short loop in the console that iterates over matched elements and triggers the click for each, with a small delay between actions to reduce server throttling. Keep the console open and watch for error messages. If many failures appear, stop and reload the page. Make sure you understand you're automating your account actions. After the loop completes, reload the friends page and verify that no friends remain. Sometimes entries persist until a refresh. If a few friends stayed, run the same console loop again or remove the final ones manually. If Roblox blocks actions or shows rate limit errors, wait 10 to 30 minutes before retrying and avoid rapid reruns. As a troubleshooting tip, clear the browser cache, relog in, and reattempt the console steps. This often resolves stale DOM or session issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.